Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am your Ashita from the channel Ashita Dilated. Hope you guys doing good. If you guys are new to my channel, please do like and subscribe to my channel guys. Today in my video I'm gonna show you how to make cleanup at your home. Guys, cleanup to your face is very important because you will be outside in the dirt and dust. It will be affect to your skin, and nowadays in this quarantine time, use this time for doing a cleanups at your home by using a different products or using your homemade products. And look at my face, I got a pimple because yesterday I went outside in the dirt. Okay, that's out of the box. It's not related to this video. Okay guys, let me start with my first step. First step is cleansing. I washed up of my face using Himalaya face wash. You can use any face wash which you liked one. Now in my face there is nothing. You can see there is no cream. Nothing in my face. Once cleansing is done, the second step is scrubbing. I am using Himalaya Purifying Neem scrub with the antibacterial properties. I am taking bit scrub and gonna apply all over my face. Guys, Neem well known for its purifying and antibacterial properties which kills problem causing bacteria. It's very effective, and friends will get this Himalaya's Neem scrub for 70 bucks. I'm scrubbing all over my eyes. Especially scrub the area where you feel there is a blackheads and whiteheads or more over there. Guys, scrub thoroughly such that there should be no cream left in your face. Once scrubbing is done, I gonna use massager, that is a face massager which is of Himalaya, and I gonna massage it gently in a circular motion. By doing this kind of massage will give your skin to relax. Friends, gently massage slowly in a circular motion all over your face. And particularly this massage is shell based. Once you on with your switch, it will gonna circulate gently and blending thoroughly all over your face. So let me move with the third step. I'm using Biotique Papaya Tank Removal Scrub. I'm just applying all over my skin. Guys, you can massage this for your face and neck using your fingertips. And this Biotique product of papaya flavor will get this for 199 bucks. Guys, if you feel that cream is so hard, add some rose water to that and apply to your face. I'm adding some rose water and applying to my face. Guys, once you're done with your application, leave the cream for dry for 10 minutes. And now I'm done with my 10 minutes. You can see my face is fully dried. I'm gonna take steamer now. By taking steamer, all your pores will open and makes your skin soft. Take steamer for nearly 10 minutes. Guys, I'm done with my steamer and we are left with our last step, that is toner. I'm using Himalaya Refreshing and Clarifying Toner which will be suitable for all type of skins. I'm gonna apply this toner using a cotton. Just dip the toner and apply to your face guys. Guys, you'll get this Himalaya toner for 90 bucks and it is an alcohol free formulation that deep cleanses pores and refreshes to keep your skin oil free without over drying. I think this is the best toner which is of citrus lemon, especially which controls excess oil circulation to leave your skin clear, soft and radiant. I'm just applying all over my skin. That's it, it's done. Guys, I have done with my cleanup and I suggest you to not to go outside for minimum 5 to 6 hours and maximum for 7 hours. You should not go outside, be at home because outside there will be dirt or dust which affects your skin. Guys, what all are products which I used for my cleanup? I'll mention all the links in the description. You can see there. Guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel guys. I'll come with my next content soon. Until that, stay tuned, stay safe. Thank you.